the difference in the water here. Look at this line. Fresh water on the right, salt water on the left, tide's coming in, and this flow of fresh water is coming right there, Taylor Creek. This is all the fresh water they're releasing from Lake Okeechobee. Is that nasty? A little choppy too. Hope you can see this.